Hi, my name's Christian. I'm the production manager for Westside Remodeling. I'm standing here in Agoura Hills kitchen remodel that we just wrapped up. We really transformed this whole first floor of this house. We had a kitchen before that had a big peninsula coming out here and a big bay window popped out of the side here. We had a big wall with two small doorways that separated the kitchen space from the family and living room. And what we did was change this whole floor plan, took away the peninsula, added this large island with seating to have a whole family sit around. It's great for entertaining, a great party space. We made everything a lot more sleek and modern looking with some beautiful organic accents throughout. We're excited to help you with whatever your dreams are for your home, any kind of modifications you'd like or additions, any remodel, we are more than capable of helping you with that. So reach out to Westside Remodeling, let us help you build your house into your dream home.